Hi guys, it's Rocco here. Hope you're all doing very well. In today's video, I'll share with you everything that you need to know about LunaClassic. LunaClassic has been one of the most popular cryptocurrencies in the world. It even had more volume than Ethereum on Binance, just behind Bitcoin. It's absolutely gone parabolic. In today's video, I'll share with you what caused the initial pump, the burn tax. We'll go into the implementation of it, Binance joining and burning trading fee for LunaClassic, which is huge news. It caused another big pump. I'll also talk about LunaClassic future, my thoughts on it, and finally, to end the video, I'll share with you my price prediction long term, and also short term I'll share with you some trade setups that you can use if you're looking to buy LunaClassic. Before I get more into the video, just smash that like button. Share this video with your friends and family. LunaClassic has shown the power of people to get a community together, and what we've seen, basically cryptocurrency come back from the dead after the Luna crash. So it shows the power of people. So hit that like button, subscribe, comment below LunaClassic or Burn Luna. LunaClassic is absolutely taken over Twitter. Hit that like button, and more importantly, comment something like Luna Burn or Luna. It's Luna C. It will really help the YouTube algorithm. So make sure you hit that like button and help grow this community. You can follow myself on Twitter, follow people like Vegas, Ed, or join the Terrible community Discord. Those are some of the things you can do to help the community. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. So guys, let's get started with the video. The first LunaClassic revival pump, in my opinion, came after Vegas suggested that 1.2 tax burn or tax code, and burning transactions. If you transfer Luna, it will burn the transactions. And if you know about trading, I explain it in all my trading videos. Trading is driven by demand and supply, and if the supply reduces and with all the hype the demand goes up, that's when you get big price moves. It was great, and I made a video actually about this 3 months ago. I've not been making videos lately on YouTube because with the bear market and my views are down, but lots of people have requested a LunaClassic video, so I'm making this. I made this video about 3 months ago when I talk about this pump, and our trade setup was background here, and I actually still hold some LunaClassic from back then. I'm trading it, I always trade, but if you go back and check 3 months ago, I actually bought some LunaClassic, and that's in that video. You can go watch that video. So that was the initial pump that caused it, and then after a big move like this, we usually see a dip, and we saw a big dip, and I actually got stopped out in some of my positions. And then here the implementation, I think, got passed. I can't exactly remember. Again, watch my live streams. Actually update you guys. I'm doing a live stream on Sunday. I do a live stream every Sunday, share with you trades, what I'm looking to buy and sell. So if you are interested in that, make sure you subscribe, go into the community section and click notify. You'll get notified when I'm going live. If you have any questions on LunaClassic or trading, I can answer you then. But then the rally started happening again, and this is where I started posting on Twitter. And we held a Twitter Spaces as well with the Vegas and Ed, and it really helped just absolutely burst LunaClassic. And since then, we've just been buying all the exchanges started getting involved with it. Mexi and other exchanges started getting involved. There's other people trying to jump on the bandwagon. I'm only a small influencer or a YouTuber or a trader, whatever you want to call it. I've only got a few followers, but there's people with like 500k followers jumping on, seeing how big LunaClassic potential could be, and that's just shares LunaClassic with more people, and that's what we've seen with the big pumps. And then finally, the big thing was Binance burning LunaClassic. People, we still tweeting to Coinbase to list LunaClassic. You can go support that cause as well. Again, it just shows how liking, retweeting, even if you're not an influencer, just your voice, likes, comments, sharing with people, it can really help grow the community. It just shows how powerful the community of power of people is. And we're trying to get listed on Coinbase, which could be the next big thing. But we did the same thing, asking Binance, and then CZ made the announcement that Binance was going to burn LunaClassic, and not just 1.2, they'll be burning all the total trading fees collected, and that is huge. And as long as they keep doing that, I think this is really bullish for Luna, and I expect LUNC, I expect LUNC to carry on pumping. So that was the big driver, and that caused another big pump, and since then it's been dipping. So the next step into the LunaClassic future is going to be what the ecosystem do. So there's potential DeFi news, there's potential gaming being involved with it, the Repeg, and let me know if you're interested in talking about the LunaClassic, the stablecoin. I think that's going to be the next big thing. So if we can have like an algorithmic fungible token, or a stablecoin similar to what we had, again not similar to what we had, they're trying to call it algorithmic fungible token, and there's some really good articles. And if you are interested, let me know. I can go into a lot more detail, or maybe I can interview these people on Twitter or on YouTube. There's Twitter Spaces that I've held before with these people. Those could be the next catalyst, and we need to see that, guys. We've already seen the LunaClassic burning is really helping with all that was minted back in the crash. This burn has, you know, revived the whole ecosystem, and the next step is going to be actual use cases, so apps, you know, DeFi, trying to, you know, lock value, potentially a stable coin-ish or something like that, what we had before. They can really help take LunaClassic to the next level. What I am bullish on this is the community. After big moves like this, you're going to see a dip. You know, we saw a huge dump here. We saw like a 60% dip. And after a big move up like this, there's usually dips. You know, it's dumped 70% and then it's rallied up. I think this was the Binance news that just caused absolutely chaos in the markets. So there's going to be dips, there's going to be chops after big moves like this. The next step in the ecosystem growth is going to be actual use cases. One of the really good things, I think it's called Rexa Yella Belly. Apologies if I said his name wrong. He was on one of my Twitter spaces. He says that the LunaClassic already has a big customer base, and we're seeing that lots of people, maybe some people are using the ecosystem wrongly and they're trying to use LunaClassic to promote their own crypto projects, which is not right. But as LunaClassic has already got a big community, you're going to see more people coming on trying to support the project, which is quite a big thing. You know, LunaClassic has already got a big customer base, so if dApps and people want to grow on this ecosystem, it can really help. One concern that other people are talking about is the volume is going down because people don't want to, you know, be tax banned. So that's something that needs to be considered. And on this channel, guys, or if you follow me on Twitter, I've been doing this from 2017, 2018. I try to share with you bullish and bear cases. So that is another thing that probably the LunaClassic community need to consider. Some people are saying, you know, reduce the tax ban potentially, or reduce it for like developers or something like this. I mean, the biggest thing I'm bullish on this project is the community. So, you know, people were like, oh, LunaClassic is going to die. And we saw them just, you know, have, or was it more than doubled in price? You know, almost doubled in price, yeah, more than doubled in price. So the most bullish thing is the community. Join the terribles, you know, follow me on Twitter. There's other smart people that I've mentioned, you know, especially like people like Ed. They're very, very smart people. When I've spoke to them, they know what they're talking about. You can learn more about the ecosystem. So that's my thoughts on the project. So what do I think from a price point of view? I know you guys probably follow me more for the price. I shared with you a few trades in our previous live stream, guys. I shared with you Bitcoin live trade that worked out really well. And at the moment, if you guys remember, me and Aurel, he was live on our YouTube. We were shorting coins, and that trade worked out really well. So if you are interested in that, make sure you join the live stream, or you can check out our Rockstar trading group. I'll leave the links below for you to check out. So yeah, I'll be doing live trading Sunday as well if you guys are joining Sunday 7 p.m. So yeah, talking about price now. So fundamentally, I think the big driver is going to be Binance, unless, you know, Coinbase comes along or another exchange comes along. Especially Coinbase will be huge, and I know lots of people are sharing rumors. Again, I don't have any solid proof on that. That could be another big, you know, something like this. We can see if Coinbase gets involved with it. But for now, I think Binance, what it does on Monday, I think Tuesday night they announced, that's going to be huge. If they carry on burning at the rate that they have been, I think that's going to be big. In my live stream, I said if the burn is less than 5 billion, I think the price goes down. If it's around 5 billion, I expected the price to rally a bit on the short time frame, so potentially dip and then, you know, potentially go higher. So if Binance carries on, it will dip and then bounce, because lots of people were already bullish. It was already priced in, and after we say buy the rumor, sell the news, you expect a usual dip. So you know, that's the dip that we expected. So the next news is going to be, is the next burn going to be over 5 billion, or is it going to be less than 5 billion? If it's less than 5 billion, I think the price could dip even more. If it's more than 5 billion, I'd expect the price to pump. So that is a big thing to know. Let me know if you want me to make a YouTube video. I'll definitely let you guys know on Twitter, because as long as LunaClassic is being burned, same thing I said about Luna back in the day, as long as more Luna is being burned, I'm bullish. And as long as LunaClassic has been burned, the community is as strong as it's ever been. I am bullish on LunaClassic long term. So that's one thing. I would not hold any leverage trades. So this was from Sunday night live stream. I would not hold any leverage trade. You can saw the big spike on Sunday, Monday, so you don't want to be holding. And long term, I'm still bullish. The ecosystem, more dApps, DeFi, UST, and I'm holding spots from around here. Again, if you bought this tops, I don't want to be holding spot positions from here. Or if you've bought spot here and it breaks below this, I would not want to hold from a trading point of view, guys. Long term, again, like I said, some of the positions I have here, I'm happy to hold that. I've taken profits when it hits target, and I'm going to hold that if it goes to the moon or go to the zero. I want to support the LunaClassic community on small positions, but I won't be leveraged long if it gets below this red zone. Same thing I said if you again watch my YouTube Sunday live streams. Once it got back below here, I said, look, I'm going to be short term bearish towards here. here, and I'm saying the same thing. We had a nice trade. Follow me on Twitter, I posted it live. I'm long with stop below. We had hit our first target, we couldn't get to our second target. It's come back to my origin. You could look to buy here, but if we start trend changing below, like what we saw here, I think short term it might be going down. So that's like my short time frame technical analysis. Long term, like I said, if they can carry on burning the LunaClassic token, there's more developers coming onto the project. One big news could be the algorithmic stablecoin. I think that's going to be huge. Whatever the community decides on, the latest proposal, I don't think people aren't too happy with it, because you might have to mint to burn. And again, I don't want to get into that. That'll probably be another video. There's other proposals coming. If they can get an algorithmic stablecoin going, which is really key to DeFi, we've seen it with, you know, Luna and other ecosystems trying to copy the algorithmic stablecoin, that could cause the next rally in LunaClassic. So from a technical analysis point of view, this level is huge. This was the previous all-time high. Once it broke here, you saw me just, you know, buying the dip, burn and pump tweets and all that fun stuff on Twitter. Again, you have to probably go over the top a bit, you know. I'm quite genuine what I say, but in a long format YouTube video, I could explain my thoughts in a lot more detail. You know, when it gets back above here, I was bullish and it carried on pumping. So if it gets below there, I think that's going to be a key level for short term, and we could see a bigger dip. But long term, as long as we're holding above here, I like it. And very long term about the community, I've already talked about it, and I'll keep you updated on what's going on. They've got a huge opportunity. Terra Rebels, Lunacy community, everyone in the crypto world is looking at them. If they can deliver again, they can get another big pump. And I'll end this on this note, on the short squeeze that I tweeted about. There's lots of people expecting LunaClassic to go down, and we saw this move up. It caught out a lot of people. It caught me out as well. So if there's a big update of Coinbase or some, you know, algorithmic stablecoin or whatever big news or development, it can easily short squeeze and get another big rally like that. So, you know, be very careful if you're shorting Luna. So that's the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want more LunaClassic videos, do hit that like button and let me know. And I've not made a YouTube video, I think in 2 months now. Let me know if you want more YouTube videos. But what I will do is, even in this bear market, I'll carry on making this live stream, because it's something that I do full time. I enjoy doing it, and trading and crypto can be a lonely business. So interacting with people live is something that I do. So, you know, if you do want to support me, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. If you want to join the crypto community, I'll leave the links below for you to join. So thank you very much, guys. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Before I end the video, what is your price prediction for LunaClassic? Do you think it goes up to, it kills a zero, goes up to 1 cent, goes up to half a cent, whatever? Comment below your price prediction for LunaClassic. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Thank you very much.